Sorry, YouTube, if I'm using copyright sounds, please do not delete my YouTube channel. Anyways, let's get to finishing the Halo Halo. Cause I didn't make six or five parts for no reason. Of trying to finish the Halo Halo. There might be too much parts of that. I might not even be able to finish this. Like there might be 10 parts or something. I'm not gonna eat the jellies, the coconut, the corn, everything in here because I do not eat that. I don't like them. I only eat popcorn. I think that's healthy. I mean, I don't think that's bad food because corn is healthy, I think. And popcorn is just corn that got popped. I don't know what I'm talking about, bro. Like popcorn is just corn that got cooked. Yeah, now I see why popcorn is cooked. They get put on a pan and get cooked. 6-7. Y'all, I found the original 6-7 kid meme. I'm gonna pin the channel in the title. Don't worry. Hold up, let me get my crown jewel. Just by drinking or eating Halo Halo, my tooth is hurting. ADKY. Totally didn't eat hard food. I only eat hard cookies. They're super yummy. They're from Goldilocks. Only in the Philippines.